Is it spud season in your part of the world? It is in mine, because I'm in a Mediterranean climate and I can grow them all year round pretty much. Just got to watch out that we don't get any frost, which is pretty rare. But now in early autumn, still a good time to grow them. So I'm going to get some bags ready and we're going to be doing supermarket spuds. So I've tried seed potatoes and I didn't have any more luck with them than I did with supermarket ones. The ones I grow, I don't replant because the number of generations they've been through. So I think supermarket ones can be okay, but I certainly wouldn't be planting or replanting any that I've grown myself from supermarket ones because they're a clone. They generate over time through each generation. And I read that when they get to supermarket, these are 7th or 8th generation already, and you really shouldn't be trying to grow them any further from that. So I've just got some blue potatoes. They were the cheap ones at the time. We're going to use our dirty felt bags again, but we're only going to fill them up with dirt, so no point in making them clean. These have been sitting out for quite a while, so there shouldn't be any bugs or anything in them. We're going to actually fill them all the way, not going to use the topping up. So the potatoes I've got are probably big enough to provide energy for the shoot to get all the way out the top without having to worry about spiders. See a nasty one? Nah, it's too fast for a nasty spider. We get used to them around here. But anyway, we're going to put the spuds in the bottom, let them grow all the way up, and then from the stems that are growing through here, we'll get our spuds off because I'm too lazy to come around and fill them up again. I've also found that that hasn't helped a great deal either. So we're going to get some potting mix. Now this is a very heavy potting mix in many ways. It's heavy to lift, but it's also a lot of sand, which is good, along with the bark and what have you. I'm going to lift that up. Let's see if we can tip it in without getting it everywhere. That'll do for now. Right, so come in and have a look. As you can see, it's very sandy, quite heavy. A little bit of organic matter in there, but not a huge amount. So, what we're going to do is get a bag of mixed manure. Going to put a very healthy amount of that in there. Mix it through. All right, that'll do us nicely. We're going to get potatoes and put them right down as far as we can. Nice large potatoes. Like so. May put an extra one in. Now potatoes love potash, so we're going to put a good whack of that in. This is soluble potash, so it'll actually dissolve through once we water it. Now I'm going to give it a gentle dig. Anyway, so we've augmented that with a bit of potash, and now we're going to fill it up with potting mix. And then there is our felt bag for potatoes ready to go. So it's a few weeks on and we've had sort of mixed success with the supermarket potatoes. We can see that that one's gone fine, but nothing's come up in there. Nothing's come up in the end one. And nothing in there. So it looks like we've had a 2 out of 5 success rate by planting these spuds at the very bottom of the bag, filling the bag up, and seeing if they grow. Now, considering these were just old store-bought potatoes, that's not too bad. But let's go and have a look at some we put in that are seed potatoes, see how they're going. And here we are. These were put in quite a bit later than the ones in the bags, but they certainly seem to be going okay. They've come up, sprouted, and I think almost all of them have sprouted by the look of things. And they're looking healthy. So store-bought potatoes, yeah, they sprout and grow, but not always. As we saw, only a 40% success rate there, which not good, but we'll see how it goes. The interesting thing will be the harvest. So if you want to see the harvest, like, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and in a few months' time, we'll be digging them up. You can see what they're like, and also see the different varieties we have. Anyway, you guys enjoy life. We'll continue the potato experiment, and I'll catch you in the garden.